Alright guys, so to be honest with you, I kind of like how this hair looks because I like the hair. I like really full hair, so I feel like we can definitely rock this look. But yeah, the first thing you're going to need is a water bottle or something to make sure that your hair is wet. So if you want to get that wet look but still kind of healthy and moisturized, these are two products that I really honestly trust and that I use. They're kind of like the same thing, so you can either use this one. This one is the Hawaiian Silk Miracle Worker. This one is very popular. It's very affordable as well. While this one is the Andrelon Perfect Curl. Yeah, so I can either use these two, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this one. Let me just swatch them. I'm bringing my makeup game into this so you guys can see what the consistencies are like. It's kind of the same thing, but they are so moisturizing and they leave the hair looking really healthy. This one is the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker. This one is the Andrelon Perfect Curl. Yeah, it's white and I feel like it's a lot thicker and it's also a lot richer. So this one, just look at it again. So lastly, you're going to need a powder brush to obviously brush the hair, because with curly hair you would typically not brush the hair when it is dry because it could get really frustrating and really bushy. So yeah, look at that. So you want to do this when it is wet or while washing your hair or after washing your hair, but make sure that your hair is wet and damp. This one is from Toni & Guy. I'm going to be using this water bottle and I used 2 pumps of this inside this just to make it easy for my hair to be brushed and to kind of moisturize my hair while I'm brushing it. So I'm just going to dampen my hair with this water. So you want to get the hair wet, but you definitely do not want to get it dripping wet. You just want to saturate it with enough water that is damp enough for you to brush through and for you to activate the curls. Okay, so now that my hair is damp and is wet, I'm going to go ahead to take my Hawaiian Silk and do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to be using this serum. I'm going to be using this on my hair just to lock in the moisture and to add a little bit of shine and hydration to the hair. I'm going to be using 2 pumps on this side. Then do the same thing, get like a pump on this other side. So now that my hair is, I wouldn't say drenched in water, but now that my hair is damp enough, moisturized enough, I'm going to be using the paddle brush to just brush the hair and to take out any knots. Off my hair and scrunch it up a bit just to bring back the curls and also add a little bit of volume to the hair as well. Alright love, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's looking wet, it's looking a little bit more slick. Curls are still intact. They are even looking a little bit more lush. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Let me just separate the curls so that way it looks a little bit, it looks fuller, but still like slick. Let me see if I bring everything to the front. Okay, so this is what we are looking like right now. This is a totally different vibe and look compared to when we first started, but this is typically how to achieve the wet, silky, curly look, depending on what you're going for. If you're going for something more sleek, you can just brush it and leave it in place. But if you want something with a little bit of more volume, you can just kind of like wiggle it around and just get that puffiness going on. But this is what I'm looking like right now. This is definitely how to achieve the wet look. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know what your thoughts are yeah, I'm definitely loving it. I'm vibing with it. This is amazing. I feel like it's really sexy. There's something about it just looks really sexy and playful, and I'm loving it. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Feel free to check out my other video, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't, comment if you haven't, share if you haven't. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. But before you leave, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye guys.